Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Lens of Truth, with me, Ivan Florentino. And for today's video, here is a pen drawing of Chucky the doll. But before we get started with all the details, consider hitting that like button, ringing the bell for notifications, and becoming a member to my channel. So, let's get to it. Now, I'm a huge horror movie fan, and especially with Chucky being one of those classic slasher film characters from the first three movies, Child's Play, I wanted to draw Chucky in my small sketchbook, and this was done with cheap ballpoint pen in black. Now, this is the cover for the Child's Play movie, and I just felt like this turned out really well. I went all out with the details, the shadows, and all of the small little intricate details from like the hair, the shadows, the lighting, even with the toys and the clothing. It just turned out really well. And Chucky is just one of those pop culture icons in the horror movie genre, and especially because we are in October and Halloween is here, this was a fun one to do.
What's wrong? Gun jam?
So yeah, enjoy the rest of this time-lapse video. Comment down below what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.